So it's been 4 hours since I've had the eyeliner on. It's been officially 14 hours since I've had the eyeliner on. So it's been 21 hours. Officially been 27 hours. It's been 48 hours. I am done. Camera, action, live. That was so cheesy, I'm sorry guys. Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. If you are new, hello, my name is Ling, but y'all can call me Auntie Ling though. But as you saw from the title of this video, it is not clickbait. I am going to try my best to wear and test the new Huda Beauty Lifeliner. Oh yeah, bitch. I have never been so excited about a product in such a long time. Like, I am so blessed to have the career that I have where brands trust me to send me their PR and for me to test out. And you know what? Out of every single product that a brand has sent me, for some reason an eyeliner excites me the most. I love a big fat wing liner, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know how much I love doing a wing liner, extend from my inner corners to my eyes to all the way back to my eyebrows. And when I saw Huda Beauty release this eyeliner, first of all, it lasts for 48 hours. What? So I really wanted to test this out. I love Huda Beauty and I trust her when it comes to makeup. I love a lot of her products, and if you guys want to see a full face of Huda Beauty, I will leave a link up here just in case you guys want to check it out. Such a cute PR parcel, guys. Honestly, I want to keep this because it's just so aesthetically pleasing, and when you open her up, ooh. Eyeliner is one of those things where you have to top up and literally buy a new one every, like, I don't know, 2 to 3 months. I've noticed that I have to personally change up my eyeliners quite often because I have very sensitive eyes, and if I don't change up my eyeliner, as in like the actual component, every other month or every 2 to 3 months, then my eyes will flare up and get really itchy. That's how sensitive my eyes are. So I always have to buy a brand new eyeliner pretty much all the time. So this is really exciting. I'm really happy that Huda Beauty brought this up because when I watched her YouTube video about why she wanted to bring out an eyeliner, she said that she didn't want to, and she said that she was worried because there are so many good eyeliners out there, and I do agree with her on that because there are, and she wanted to create something that was budge proof, smudge proof, matte, black, long lasting, and I was like, bitch, oh yeah. And I believe she actually created one because, first of all, if you've seen the tutorials on Instagram, it is literally budge proof, as in water resistant, and the only way to take this off is by using her unique oil cleanser. First of all, Huda Beauty, are you teasing us with some skincare? Because I hope you are. So this is the Huda Beauty Makeup Remover Balm. Now this is what you use to take off the eyeliner. I feel like anything oily based can help take off any eyeliner, so don't feel like pressured to like buy this balm if you like feel like you can't afford it. Definitely don't feel pressured to do that. I just want to make that clear, guys. This has no smell, which is crazy because I feel like a lot of Huda Beauty products there's some sort of smell, but this has nothing, which is nice. I like makeup remover balms that has a very light smell or has no smell at all. Personal preferences, you know. I'm now gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner. If you guys want to know how to do an eyeliner, I will leave a link up here because I recently uploaded a video of how to do an eyeliner and apply false lashes as well. So first impressions on the eyeliner, the liquid side, the tip is very, very thin. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Okay, there's no smell to the eyeliner as well, just want to let you guys know. Sometimes eyeliners have a really weird chemically smell which drives me nuts. Like, why does it have a weird smell? I don't know, but this one there's no scent, which I like. Okay, I'm literally taking off the excess because I don't want too much product on the liner brush. Oh wow, feel of the brush is very silky. It almost feels like my Tom Ford double-ended eyeliner. If anyone has tried that eyeliner, then you know that the bristles is very silky, and this is how it feels. I feel like it would be ideal if I do one side liquid and then on the other side I'll do like pencil. That way we can test out what's more budge proof, what's more waterproof, or if they're both the same, because not everybody wants to wear liquid eyeliner, so why not I do that? So this is the pencil side. I love how it's a retractable one as well. Do a swatch next to the liquid. Oh shit! Oh my god! Well, that's money wasted, even though I didn't pay for it, but still, that's product wasted. Good quality product wasted! Oh, I'm so pissed. I'm just gonna like swatch this down here. There you go. Super black, super nice. Okay, I am so angry. Let me try like stick these together actually, because I really don't want to waste this product. Oh no! Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and pretend that never happened. Wow, this is so silky. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm very scared filming this video because I'm leaving this eye makeup on for literally 48 hours and I have very dry, crusty eyelids, and if I don't have moisture on them, they're just gonna flare up and I'm just gonna be really uncomfortable. So far, this eyeliner, it just feels like there's like nothing on my eyes, because sometimes when you wear an eyeliner, sometimes you can feel it drying up and, you know, some tingly sensation. But this is okay, this is really cool. Eyeliner is not gonna be even because one side is liquid and the other side is pencil, but it's okay though, because we are here to test the liner, not judge the way it looks. Just gonna get a little bit of concealer just to neaten up the liner. Okay, so the liner is on. So this side is liquid and this side is the pencil. And we're just gonna go ahead and see how it goes for the rest of the 2 days. So for the next 2 days, we've got a lot to do. I am moving, so you guys are gonna see me, Nathan, and my PA pack this whole entire flat up. And I'm so excited to finally move because it's about time that I need a fresh start. Like, I physically, mentally need a fresh start. Like, for the past year, I have just been closed off into this small tight apartment and I just feel like it's stopping me from growing. So yeah, this whole entire 2 days you're gonna see me sweating, you're gonna see me all over the place, you're gonna see me emotional, you're gonna take a trip with me down to the salon because your girl's gonna get her whole entire body waxed. Oh yeah, even down there. And I'm also getting a haircut as well, so this is like a mini vlog, which I hope you guys don't mind watching. But now this is on, let's see how it goes in the next few hours.
A few moments later.
I've got a liner. I'm gonna try to fix this because I don't want to waste this. It's eyeliner. Like, ah! Did you guys see that? Oh my god. Guys, I think I ruined the eyeliner. I should have just left it and said goodbye to the tip. This is what happens when you're cheap. Oh my god. It didn't work. I'm just gonna buy another one. Okay guys, you are in my bathroom, so excuse the background and vent noise and the lighting and everything, but I got the eyeliner on my hand and I thought, why not test it out in the sink? So here we are. Don't mind how dirty my sink is. So I'm gonna get nice and wet. Oh yeah. Nathan is gaming right now, so I'm gonna have to like film everything by myself. Oh my god, don't mind this. So what happens when you're in your period for 5 days, you need to leave this by the toilet. So my hand is very wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and just play around. Oh my god. Guys, are you seeing this? It's literally not budging. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so the liquid liner is lasting a little bit longer than the pencil. So the pencil is kind of fading, which I kind of expected, but I'm not mad because it's a good thing if makeup does come off, because if a makeup product does not budge off your face, then a bit worrisome. But the eyeliner is literally staying on. Okay, bitch. So I got the Huda Beauty makeup remover. I just dipped my finger in there. Sorry, I didn't mean to sweat you guys. And it feels so silky. The balm itself feels so good. I'm just gonna see if this rubs off, just like in the Instagram video. Oh yes. Oh wow. It's been literally 10 seconds and it's still trying to rub off. Whoa, this is crazy. Because usually oil balms takes off eyeliner within like less than 10 seconds. Wow. Oh my god, it's still going. Crazy. Okay, cool. I have high hopes, guys. So it's been 4 hours since I've had the eyeliner on, and yes, I started filming super late. It is currently 1 AM. It is time for bed, and look who I have over here. Like that, don't you? Oh, you should all. The eyeliner has smudged just a little bit, which is kind of expected because I have had it on for about 4 hours and I just realized how crazy my baby hairs are. Wow. This is how I used to look when I was in high school. This is what I used to do. I used to just wear absolutely nothing and just put eyeliner on. Oh yeah. Good morning, everyone. So it is currently, what time is it, babe? It's 11:30. It's been officially 14 hours since I've had the eyeliner on, and this is how it looks. The liquid liner has stayed in place. I'm not mad at this part, by the way, guys, because in what world would someone have a liquid liner on for 48 hours and not a little bit of liner would transfer onto the lower lash line? Like, of course it's gonna transfer. But on this side, it's like literally disappearing, and I'm going to a salon, I'm gonna look like this, which is crazy. It's like literally disintegrated. Licky wants to say hello. I feel grimy. I feel a little bit dirty around my eyes because I have never worn makeup for this long. Yeah, Nathan thinks I look crazy because I have no makeup on but eyeliner on.
You look weird. Your cheekbones are naked.
I know.
And was it the under eye bit called?
What, this bit? The lower lash line?
Yeah.
Or the inner corner of the eyes?
Both. And you got like 2 arrows on your side of your eyes.
Shut up and go back to work. I am ready for my wax, guys. I literally told my waxing lady like I look like this because I'm testing out a new eyeliner. So usually when I get a wax, I do get really hot and sweaty. So we'll see if this stays put even through tough times. So it's been 21 hours and this is how the eyeliner looks. I feel like the liquid liner is holding in so well, but this is literally fading every hour of the day. I feel like by tomorrow this is gonna be completely gone. Girl, it's really holding in place. I feel so grimy, guys. I feel so dirty. I feel so disgusting. I really want to clean my eyes. I'm gonna do like a 20-step skincare routine after I am done with this video. It has officially been 27 hours. I have, I believe, 21 more hours to go. I'm like literally gonna get in bed now and yeah, I'm gonna try my best to like sleep well and try my best not to like smooch my face in the pillow. This is how the eyeliner looks. Eyeliner still looks the same pretty much from this morning. Still really black as well. Oh my god, my glasses, my prescription is so high, hence why my glasses are making my eyes look so big. Whoa. And this is like fading. So I feel like the pencil liner works really well when it's on the lash line, but as a flick, maybe not so much. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning! Oh gosh. It is officially day 2, but it hasn't been 48 hours yet and I really want to scream. I am so angry because this eyeliner is really making my eyes feel sore and very uncomfortable. I couldn't sleep last night very well and I think it's because the eyeliner was like, I don't know. When you wear makeup for such a long time, like I mean all day on your face, you start to feel a bit uncomfortable in your own skin and that's literally how I feel. This is literally how the eyeliner looks. It's literally gone. Look at that, it's all gone. It definitely transferred onto my pillows last night. I tried my best not to move too much whilst I was sleeping last night, but girl, sometimes you just can't help but get comfy. Are you liking my bed? Whoa. I'll see you in 10 hours. Oh my god, it's been 48 hours. I am done. I am over it. I am ready to take this whole entire eye makeup off now. So this is how it looks. Not much difference compared to this morning. Literally. The one thing that I've noticed about this eyeliner is that because I have oily combination skin and this eyeliner comes off better with an oil-based makeup remover, when you apply this liner on, when it sets nice and black and matte and it stays in place, it doesn't transfer. But after like 24 hours, it transferred a little bit and I think the reason why is because my eyelids started to get oily and it just messed up with the formula of the eyeliner, so I think that's why it started transferring, hence why there's like a bunch missing on the tip and not really much on the lash line. This is like completely gone. Would I recommend this eyeliner? Yeah, I would. I wouldn't recommend wearing it for 48 hours though, because it's just not worth it. The liquid liner side works so much better than the pencil liner, I personally think anyway. Pencil liner is good, but it's just not as long wearing compared to the liquid liner. I'm not mad that the pencil liner doesn't last as long as the liquid liner. End of the day, it does a good job. It's creamy, the texture and the formula of these products is amazing. So Huda Beauty, well done to you, girl. That is the end of the video, guys. I cannot believe I tested this eyeliner out for 48 hours. I really hope you enjoyed this experience, this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you know anyone that would be interested in this video, please share with your friends or family. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well, guys. It would mean so much to me if you did. I will see you in the next one. Bye.